Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll bring you another early to join high potential DePIN project called Stork Network. As you can see, this project has over 4 million in funding and listed on the crypto rank as a potential airdrop. Also here you can see some top investors who have invested in this project. Here as you can see the official website of Stork Network. Stork Network works in a Web3 as an Oracle provider. That means it takes the data from the regular Internet Web 2 and puts into the Web3 apps. It also provides data services like storage for both blockchain and regular data. As you can see, they also have partners with popular names like Vertex, SUI, OKX, Stone, and many more. So if you want to keep updated with the latest airdrops and news, you can join our Telegram channel for up-to-date info. Also, you can visit our blog where we post the latest updates and airdrops, so you can get all the latest crypto related updates. So now move on how you can join Stork Network. When you first visit the Stork extension link, I'll provide the link in the description so you can check it out. Click on download and install the extension. After that, click join the network. Then you will see the sign up page. Just click sign up, fill out the form. Here you can use my referral code. I give the link in the description. Then you need to verify the email. After verifying, click on the extension and turn on verification. Then wait some time, it will show points. As you can see, it already counted. And that's it. If you like my video, give me a thumbs and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.